Rahim. So I will first announce the group-wise positions and then we will go to the overall talk. In science female, the third position is attained by Maryam Fatima, daughter of Abdul Wahid, roll number 509695 from Quaid-e-Azam Divisional Public School, Gujranwala. Again, in science, I request everyone to please keep silent and turn off, switch off, or either put your telephones on silent. In science female category, the second position goes to Nurul Ain, daughter of Tahir Iqbal, roll number 579530 from Al Nisa Public High School for Girls, Zafarwal, Narowal. In science female category, the second position, for which I just announced that Nurul Ain, daughter of Tahir Iqbal, achieved the second position. The second position is shared. So on second position, we also have Aisha Umar, daughter of Umar Siraj from Divisional Public High School for Girls, Lala Musa Kharia. So on second position, the two girls, Nurul Ain and Aisha Umar, they both have 1186 marks. I think that for the third position, I probably forgot to announce the marks. So Maryam Fatima, who had achieved third position in the science female category, had attained 1184 marks. Now in the science female category, the first position is also shared by two girls, Adina Rashid, daughter of Rashid Mahmood from Future Vision Secondary School, Gujranwala. Her roll number is 508724 and she has attained 1190 marks. Her first position in the science female category is shared with Sadika Almas, daughter of Muhammad Abu Bakr from A+ School System for Girls, Gujranwala. Her roll number is 498958. So both Sadika Almas and Adina Rashid, who have stood first in the science female category, obtained 1190 marks. I am now declaring results for the general male category. I will talk about the science male category at the end. So now I am again talking about the top positions in the general male category. The third position has been obtained by Abdullah, son of Mia Abdul Ghafoor from Government High School number 1, Kamoki. He has obtained 1093 marks out of 1200.
Government school
from Ji Bilkul, we have several positions from the government school as well. In the general male category, the second position is obtained by Ali Raza, son of Muhammad Shafiq from Government High School, Vaniawala, Gujranwala. His roll number is 586906 and he has obtained 1096 marks. In the general male category, the first position has been obtained by Ali Haider, son of Parvez Iqbal from Government High School for Boys, Pindi Bhatiya, Hafizabad. His roll number is 591166 and he has obtained 1137 marks. So Abdullah, who stood third from Government High School, Kamoki, had 1093 marks. Ali Raza from Government High School, Vaniawala, Gujranwala, who stood second, had attained 1096 marks. And Ali Haider from Government High School, Pindi Bhatiya, had obtained 1137 marks. Now I am announcing the top positions in the general female category. The third position has been obtained by Maria Seher, daughter of Arshad Hussain from Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Gujarat. She obtained 1142 marks. The second position in general female category has been obtained by Tayyiba, daughter of Abu Bakr Rafiq from Science Local High School, Satellite Town, Gujranwala. She has obtained 1143 marks. The first position has been obtained by Faiza Anjum, daughter of Anjum Raza from Government Hakeem Bibi Girls High School, Gujranwala. Her roll number is 615447. She has obtained 1156 marks. I'm still left with science male category. The third position has been obtained by Abdul Rafi Butt, son of Khurram Shehzad, from A Plus School System for Boys, Gujranwala. His roll number is 410699 and he has obtained 1186 marks. In the science male category, the second position has been obtained by Muhammad Ahmed Amir, son of Amir Mahmood, from Wabda Town High School for Boys, Gujranwala. His roll number is 421546. The first position in the science male category has been obtained by Zain Akram, son of Muhammad Akram, from Fauji Foundation Model School for Boys, Shakargarh, Narowal. His roll number is 481989 and he has obtained 1188 marks. I will now reiterate the overall top three positions. Overall, at the third position is Muhammad Ahmed Amir, son of Amir Mahmood, from Wabda Town.
Overall.
I will now announce the overall top three positions. The third position has been obtained by Muhammad Ahmed Amir, son of Amir Mahmood, from Wabda Town High School for Boys, Gujranwala. He has obtained 1187 marks. His roll number is 421546. Overall, the second position has been obtained by Zain Akram, son of Muhammad Akram, from Fauji Foundation Model School for Boys, Shakargarh, Narowal. He has obtained 1188 marks. His roll number is 481989. The overall first position is shared by two daughters of the nation. The first one is Sadika Almas, daughter of Muhammad Abu Bakr, from A Plus School System for Girls, Gujranwala. She has obtained 1190 marks and her roll number is 498958. Her first position is shared by Adina Rashid, daughter of Rashid Mahmood, Future Vision Secondary School for Girls, Gujranwala. She has also obtained 1190 marks and her roll number is 508724. If let's say at any point I had either missed telling the roll number or if I had missed anything, these results are available on our social media as well as on our website also. These top positions are available there as well. So I wish all students, the toppers and all those who have passed matriculation examination 2026 with good scores, best wishes for the future. Our prayers, wishes and support are with them. Thank you.